Hello, my darlings. Welcome. Today, I am taking you to my local thrift store here in Columbus, Ohio. And after I fill out my shopping cart with all those goodies for less than $15, I created these beautiful creations, and I'm going to show you how easily I transform them into beautiful Christmas decor. And I am C, and this is CJ DIY. For my first flip, I got this material just for a few cents. After I washed it and iron it, now we're gonna create a beautiful art piece for Christmas. So I folded on a half, and I'm gonna be using one of these stencils that I got from last year. I purchased them from Amazon. It's an adhesive stencil. I'm measuring with a ruler, make sure that it's in the middle of my material before I apply some paint on this stencil. And now I'm just gonna be applying cashew Waverly chalk paint with a sponge brush, going all over the prints and the trees until it's all fully complete. And I decided just to go with one color, and I think it's gonna match perfect because this year I'm going with that neutral wood color farmhouse vibe, and I think this is just the perfect print for that with the paint. Super easy. Simply I'm removing the stencil, and look at this beautiful print on this beautiful material. I am in love with it. Now I'm just measuring and cutting the extra pieces so it's not too long. And after that, I'm gonna be adding wooden hanging pieces, and those pieces are from Dollar Tree. I like how they came with those ropes, except those ropes are too long, so I'm gonna cut them out. I'm gonna put one on top and one on the bottom. I'm looking at the ropes, and I'm just looking how I'm gonna position them before I start cutting them out. And I'm just gonna tie them out where I wanna cut them. So I'm just going through all of those 7 pieces that I have, and I'm just gonna cutting them just like so, and see how it's gonna all look together. And really like the color, the neutral natural color, and match exactly with my print on my art. After I tied all the ropes, now I'm gonna loosen up the edges from the ropes, just like so, and that part should be done quickly. I'm gluing the bottom part of my material with the top bottom, and I also glued the wooden piece, and that's how it looks so far on top. I'm also gonna be adding the second wooden piece on the bottom, except the material is too long, so I'm gonna cut off the extra material before I glue the second part of the wooden hanging piece on it. So just like that, I'm just gluing the second part. Super simple and easy, and I'm just using a hot Gorilla Glue to make it more sturdy, just like that. And also I will be cutting those rope edges because they're too long and I didn't want them to be too long. Just a simple shorter ropes on all of them. And now when both hanging pieces are done, what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna glue the two edges on each side. And for only a few dollars, we have a beautiful high-end Christmas art hanging piece. You gotta let me know, what do you think? Today, I'm so happy that I'm a part of another amazing Thrift Road Trip Open Challenge hosted by my amazing darling friends, crafting cousins, Thrish and Kay, and Sammie from Unicorn Does Designs. And I'm pretty sure everybody knows Thrish and Kay and Sammie. And if you don't know them by now, you should go and visit their channel and show them lots of love. And of course, today we are having amazing playlist with so many talented creators, all of them my amazing darling friends. All the links are in my description box. And with that being said, I'm going into my next trash to treasure. For my next project, I'm gonna be using this styrofoam that I got it from my packages. And after I draw two Christmas trees, one small and one large with a marker, super simple, just a Christmas tree like we were drawing when we were little kids, I'm gonna be using my heating gun and I'm going all over the line until I cut the whole Christmas trees. Since this styrofoam is kind of thick, this heat gun helped me a lot to cut it off. This heating gun, you can find it in a Walmart crafting section. I got it long time ago and I only pay, I believe, $13 for it. It was like 2-3 years ago, but it helped me a lot, not just to engrave things on the wooden pieces, it helped to cut off pieces like this on styrofoam, and it's so easy. You just go through the lines, and this is highly not recommended, not highly, but it's not recommended for kids. So only adults can use this. And I'm just going, like you see, through the edges, and the trees are cut out. And after we transform them, nobody will know that we made them out of the styrofoam who was ready to be thrown away. So from trash, we're gonna create a treasure today. And now, after we cut off the both trees, I'm just sanding the edges with a nail sander, just a little bit before we apply some paint on it. Super simple. And after I clean up all the mess that I made, I'm applying a brown chalk paint all over my trees, and I'm gonna let them dry. After they're all nice and dry, I'm gonna be using the glaze crackle medium so we can get some rustic vibe on our trees. I never use a glaze crackle on a styrofoam, so we're gonna see how it's gonna work. So I'm applying with the brush all over the trees, and I'm gonna let them dry a little bit. And after that, we're gonna be applying a Casio Waverly chalk paint. Now when they're all nice and dry, I'm going all over with the brush, heavy dry brushing with that paint. And I really like the look how they're coming out. If you planning to make something like this out of styrofoam, please, I would love to see some pictures, and I will always share your creations in my future video. I would love to do it. You can also reach me to Instagram and message me and send me your creations. I would love to share it so everybody can see them. I'm also adding a tumbling tower blocks on the back of the trees, and they will be ready for decorating for our Christmas home decor. For the next flip, I found this beautiful horse sleigh for only $1 because it was 50% off, so I only paid $1 for it. So I would like to transform it into natural look. So after I remove the price tags and I clean it well, I'm gonna apply a cashew paint on it. So after I apply a couple of coats of Cashew Beverly chalk paint and it's all nice and dry, I'm gonna be applying antique wax, heavy dry brushing all over until it's all covered, and then we're gonna wipe it off and we're gonna have a nice vintage neutral sleigh for Christmas. And that's what I was going for that neutral, natural look for our home decor Christmas pieces this year. I really love how this sleigh turned around, just a nice vintage look. And just a little detail I added as an embellishment, those two golden wooden stars from Dollar Tree. I didn't wanted to add more embellishment. I just wanted to leave like it is. And I decorated with these frosted branches. And I also added two mini Christmas frosted trees from Dollar Tree. And I really love how it all turned out. Let me know, what do you think? And if I gave you some idea for you to visit your local thrift store and remake something and make it your own. For my next thrift flips and last, I found these large wooden frames, 16 by 20. They were $2 each. I love them. I love the frame with that beautiful wooden look, and I didn't do anything on it. All I did, I just cleaned them well. And what I'm gonna do is now I'm gonna just replace them with a nice, beautiful Christmas art paper. And these papers are wrapping papers for Christmas that I got them long time ago in my Christmas stack, and now is the time to use them. And look how beautiful they look. Look at this beautiful vintage look on this print. So now I'm just gonna measure to fit exactly in my frame. I'm just cutting it and I'm just adding inside of my frame, and that's it. Super simple transformation. But trust me, if you go to high-end store, you're gonna find pieces like this for more like $30 and $40, and mine only cost me a $2. You can never beat that. And for my second art piece, I got the same exact frame. I'm using a different print, also measuring to see which part is gonna look good. I wish my frames were larger, just enough to fit all these beautiful decorative paper that I have, but it is what it is. 16 by 20. I'm just measuring before I cut it off and adding it inside of my frame. Super beautiful, rustic, natural Christmas decor. And my darlings, we came to the end. I hope you enjoy my video today and all my thrift flips, trash to treasure creations that I made, believe it or not, for less than $15, even less. I didn't count, but I think it cost me less than $15. And my darlings, before I let you go, don't forget to check out the amazing Crafting Cousins and amazing Unicorn Dust Design, Thrish and Kay and Sammie. Ladies, thank you so much for having me in this amazing playlist. I love you and all that amazing, talented creators. All links are in my description box. And until next time, I'm sending you lots of love, lots of music, positive energy, blessings from me to you. Bye-bye.